Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create a table in MySQL using SQL scripts or designer view. But before we dive into creating tables, if you haven't installed MySQL yet, I've included a link in the description below to a video tutorial on how to install MySQL on your system. Go ahead and check that out if you need help getting started. Before we begin, let's understand what is table in MySQL. A table is a structured set of data organized in rows and columns. Each column has a specific data type, and each row represents a record. We can create table using SQL script or by using user designer view. Now, let's write our first SQL script to create a table. Open MySQL Workbench. Choose Schema from list and set as default. Now go to Query Editor and start with the Create Table statement. Name table as Students. Open bracket. Then create auto-increment primary key as Student ID. First name worker with length 50 and set not null. Similarly, last name with length 50 and not null. Add column date of birth with data type as date to hold birth date of student. Again, add column email to hold email of student that should be unique. Add more to columns. Enrollment date, which will be date data type, and is active column with Boolean data type, which is maintain active or inactive status of student. Close the bracket. Now, select all and execute to create students table. Go to Schema and refresh tables to check whether students table is created. Let's write select statement to verify students table. Now, let's begin with creating a table using designer view. Go to Schema. Right-click on Table and click on Create Table. Now, type table name as Student Details as you are watching on screen, leave other fields as default and move to Add Columns. Add column as shown in screen. After you finish with adding columns, click Apply button at the bottom of the dialog to complete creation of table. You can see over here, student details table is created. Again use select statement to verify if student detail table is created or not. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.